Oh yeah, guys. Alright, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have literally the first, actually second fill up of this Silverado. We've gone like 370 or so miles on this. My sister also borrowed it, drove a little bit too. But we have our first fill up in the Chevy. We are like on EE. This isn't gonna start it. These will though. Wait, what did I do that for? Well, once we start driving, that low fuel light will come on. It happened just a bit ago too. It's our first fill up, and this motor obviously has gone through 159 or so thousand miles. I know people do the throttle body and stuff. I might actually do that, but for now we're gonna run it through the tank, try to get the motor, injectors and stuff cleaned up a little bit. Seafoam does in fact help. It does help a decent amount. Okay, so we just kind of pulled up to the gas station here. As you can see, Seafoam cleans injectors, carbs, sanitizes fuels, controls moisture in fuels, noisy lifters, cleans deposit, adds lubricity, stuff like that, de-ice and anti-gel, obviously the same diesel, but it's an old gasser, so we're going to clean up our fuel system today. Oh, absolutely love the new LED interior lights too. If you missed at the end of the last video, we upgraded everything in here, even our door lights down there, so this should be exciting. There's just a little pull tab in here, going to rip open. Definitely got some on the seat, but whatever. Probably good for upholstery. Good old 264 a gallon. $84? Are you kidding me? This is also filled up to 31.6 gallons. This tank has to be 32, probably 32 or 33 based on the low fuel light. Maybe even 35. That is ridiculous. My Cummins does not even cost as much to fill up, and that takes diesel. We went 376.9 miles. 376.9 miles. Yeah, I cracked my screen yesterday. Divided by 31.6 gallons, 11.9 mpg for the good old 5.3 regular cab Chevy. So this gets me every time. Like, why go to the store and deal with all that when I can literally just get this right here? 43 bucks. It'll be at my door in 2 days. Well, I guess Friday because the holiday, but still, why not? It makes 0 sense. So I'm probably just gonna order this and just skip the whole trip to the store. Guys, we've come to an interesting time here. The first half of the video was filmed days ago. This half of the video was filmed today. Honestly, I've been so backed up. Everyone's wondering when hoodies and stuff are being released. Obviously, I'm not wearing it today because we're doing something with the HELLCAT we're working on it. I don't want to get mine all dirty. But everyone's wondering when hoodies and stuff are going to be released. Katie and I have been stocking, inventorying, getting shelves, getting everything set up. Stay tuned, honestly. If all goes as planned, I hope this Sunday. The link is already in both of my Instagram bio, both my personal and my truck page. You can't access the website yet, but you can put your email in and get some updates or something when it goes live. If you want to check it out, go to Instagram. The website is there. You can click on it, I believe. Do that. But honestly, Sunday is what I'm hoping it will go live. As of right now, hoodies are kind of limited stock. I'm gonna have more coming. Lots of shirts, hats, stuff like that. I'm working on like trucker hats and stuff like that. But in the meantime, everything will be for sale very soon. Me and Katie have been busting it out. Can't thank her enough, but it's just been busy. However, today I want to show you guys a couple things. Hey, I added this because getting underneath that Silverado is gonna be fun. It's gonna be super fun to like keep going in and out. So I figured I'd just order a creeper. Amazon, $40-something. We're gonna get that out of the box in a second. However, today, this HELLCAT is, I mean, we are way beyond an oil change. However, she's getting some VIPER parts today. Yes, you heard me right. VIPER parts, which I don't understand why Dodge does this. However, the VIPER engine and the HELLCAT engine have the same oil filter size. But they're two different part numbers, two different oil filters. You go to a Dodge dealership, they're going to look at you like you're funny. I'm telling them you need an oil filter for your HELLCAT, and they're going to give you the standard Mopar one. But little do you and they know, the one you really want to put on is in fact this one. The Mopar SRT oil filter. If you look online, comparisons between the standard Mopar filter that might come on this or this one that is made and goes on to the VIPER motors, this is made for like literally performance, just how the oil flows and just filtration and stuff. This is made for VIPER performance. I don't know why the part number rings up something completely different for this car. So I don't know why they did that. So I honestly wish I had ramps for this thing to drive up on, and I can do this maybe in the future, but for right now, this is what we have. This is one season on these tires. The front is still looking good, but let me tell you something. Look at the rear. Wow, these aren't as bad as I thought. However, we're pretty much worn down here. Oh man, I went through a lot of rubber this summer. A bunch of burnouts. Rubber's still there. Oh, fun car. Definitely gonna need some new tires. But if I get the parts and stuff I need, we definitely will be upgrading these tires moreover than just replacing them. Fun, so clearly not like the world's most ideal creeper. Ooh, but it's still soft padded. Let's check it out. Oh yeah. Okay, so we're gonna put our creeper to use, but I want to show you guys something super cool underneath the HELLCAT here. One thing fun to note, it does say factory installed on it, but you can see this is the black Mopar filter, non-VIPER SRT filter. So let's dig into it real quick here and get her filled back up. I can tell you guys one thing. I can promise you, you will never not find a time where oil filter, like wrench pliers, will not come in handy. My Cummins, I think before Daytona, that filter was dead stuck on there. Same thing with this. I can't really budget free with my hand. So what we're gonna do, bring out the whole oil filter pliers, and we'll have ourselves a day. All right, so we put our drain plug back in, hand tight, and then snug. Don't over tighten this bolt. You're not gonna have a good day. You want it tight, but like definitely don't impact it on. Definitely tight enough. All right, now I really don't want to dirty up this pretty white SRT filter. I'm literally just gonna dab my finger in here in the bottle and then put it on the O-ring here. What seems to be the question amongst the internet is how many quarts does this thing actually take? Some people say 6, some people say 7. We're gonna start with 6 and then go from there, but it's just hard to find. It's just stupid. It's simple things that, I mean, obviously they probably want you to take stuff to the dealer, but okay, yeah, I know I'm pouring this wrong. But I know they want you to take stuff to the dealer, but it's like an oil change. Like, come on, let's figure that out. Let's let the simple information be out there to the public. Like a simple Google search shouldn't take me to 8 pages of 3 different answers and 12 different people saying different things. So if it takes 6, then happy day, because this stuff was not cheap. I can tell you that. That's for sure. Well, I mean, we are at 6 quarts, but let's check and see where we're at. So I don't know if you'll be able to see that or not. We are right in the middle, a little bit more towards the bottom of that zone. So 7 quarts it is. Instead of like sticking all the used oil back in that. Good thing I need some windshield washer fluid, and we got a little bit left. It'll just make life so much easier to like use a jug instead of the little quarts. It's definitely not full, but also not worried about it right now. I'm actually gonna just like pull this out and back it back in the garage here, but usually the oil filter light will always come up. All right, I don't know if it came up or not, but to do it anyway, you're literally gonna hit it to the run position. You're gonna hit, which is down here, you're gonna hit the gas 1, 2, 3 times, and then shut it off, and then it should have reset the oil system if I remember correctly from the Dodge video, but we should be good now. Alright guys, well there you have it. A little VIPER mod for this HELLCAT over here, which is kind of neat. But yes, the filter is exactly identical, just 100% better. I know a lot of people use the aftermarket filters. All my Mopar products, for some reason I'm just Mopar, Cummins, whatever comes from the factory on there, I replace with a Mopar filter, except for this. Upgraded the filter from the standard HELLCAT filter to a VIPER SRT filter, which, as you saw, completely a better filter for like a motor like this. I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for tuning in. Sorry about the video delays here recently. Like I've said, Katie and I have been at it trying to get all the hoodies, shirts, hats, stuff set up, ready to go. Stay tuned, that should be releasing very, very soon. Stay tuned to my Instagrams. Stay tuned to, obviously, these YouTube videos and stuff like that. Because the video and all that stuff, the announcement of it dropping will be very, very soon. I know lots of you are excited. And I'm excited for you because I can't wait to spread this brand, my vision, my idea with all of you guys as well. Chevy should be ripping the frame. Should be ripping the frame off. That'd be something, wouldn't it be? Should be ripping the bed off. And we're going to get to it. And we're going to get to it with our Eastwood contour, our rust encapsulator, plus all that stuff. Get the frame all ground down, painted up, and we have all of our body parts inside, and we got a whole bunch of stuff on the way. So we'll be ready to transform the look of this truck so soon. And just after all that stuff's done, she'll be going on the knife again, and we'll be lifting her up. So hopefully Saturday it all starts, because I should be ripping the bed off the truck then. But I want to say thank you guys for watching. If you haven't been here before, please get down there, click subscribe. So much coming in 2020. Welcome to the new year, guys. So much is coming, you guys don't even know. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.